Two severe thunderstorm warnings.
Thunderstorm warning for Alamance County, Person County, Northern Orange County, Northeastern Randolph County, Southeastern Guilford County, Northwestern Durham County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Jericho to 7 miles south of Elon to near Siler City, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burlington, Graham, Roxboro, Hillsborough, Mebane, Elon, Rougemont, Concord, Gibsonville, and Liberty. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines,